Don't swear.
Oh, wait. No swearing's in.
He's here.
We're here.
The man in black. We sorted these tunnels out, don't we, pal?
Well, why not?
Because we're in a bit of a state. So we're emptying all crap out. And then we'll sort out in here and we'll chop all that wood up as well. Got fire. .8 degrees on, is it? In there? It's less than 5.8 anyway.
Aye.
Talking to myself. Well, I'm not real, I'm talking. Sorry, people. Yeah, anyway, I'll go get that done.
Out my nose.
Oh, no, you're on. Oh, I can't do 2 takes. Sorry. He's just going through these onions now because we've got some shallots in here and they're okay. So they can be planted again soon. In fact, we'll put them in a pod.
Yeah.
No, we won't. No, we can just plant them, leave them dry there.
Yeah, pretty good, don't we? Lovely jubbly.
Yes, the onions can go into trash. Right, all that's been carried out. Got a lot of good sweep. Just doing this side now. So I'll be looking a bit.
Yeah.
There you go. Just need to clean that glass a bit, but that glass is not staying on there. Bit tidier in here now. So we've just got this one to do now, but do this one in the morning. What I want to do it with Henry tomorrow. We'll take them poles out, move them boxes right back to the end, and then I'll just put a piece out of wood across the top. So 1, it saves me wood, and 2, it doesn't need it with the back of them boxes there. So I'll just push them right back. Because we only had them out because we had a grapevine there, but it died. So we can push them right back to the wall now, same with that one. And then we'll have loads more room. Then we'll just put them poles into the boxes. So they'll be shorter anyway. But in fact, I might do that now. I will. I'll do that now. I'll push them back and you see how much space we'll get there. Right, so I've pushed all them back, right to the back. And then I've stuffed it all right back with all sorts. Bubble wrap, polystyrene, cardboard, whatever I had. So it's all insulated down there now, just that corner cut do. But that's what I'm going to do, carry on round that side, just from the top. And then it'll all match about the same all the way around. But I'll only use 1/4 of the wood, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to need 1 pack to finish all in here. I'll not bother behind there, I'll just put a piece of board there and that'll do behind there. But everywhere else then should be insulated once I get the second row on. Yeah. Gives us a nice back for them tomato beds anyway. Put our labels on there now. Belting. Got loads more room there now. Yeah. Full of ideas now. There you go. Got loads of time to get them done. Right, all them seeds have popped. I planted the other day, I think 7 days ago. So we'll go home and just have a look at them in a minute. But I'll chop them up first and get them out shed so they can dry out. Well, them 2 windows, I found 2 little windows that I had left when I did shed. Only all windows off Sunday, but they've got the hinges on the catches. So I'm going to put them in where that round burned there. Take that other round one out, that filter thing. And I'll drop them in there in a little frame, one either side. So they'll go somewhere. Probably next week when I come on. Somewhere there. See what I mean? There and there. A little bit heavy then. And that's where them will be going. One either side. So I can lift them open as well. I might even get a couple of little, in fact I've got one somewhere. One automatic lifter. Little cad's one off Sunday. Yeah, so that's nearly done. So there's only a bit of tidying up doing there with Henry tomorrow. And we'll get all that compost out. And that crap out at the bottom of there. And then I'm hopefully going picking a trailer up after. I finally got one. It's only 60 quid off internet. And it's only up the road at Charlie. So I'll go and pick that up after. And then I'll be able to get some horse manure ready for them for next week. It's all belting. Right, I'll cut that one up, have a brew, and then I'm going home. We'll have a look at them plants at home. Them seedlings. Belting. Good job, well done there, Adri. Well, it's down, but not without its dramas. I undid the clamp before I got the rope. It's my fault. And it spun round that way and it's pulling it. Luckily, it's having a new plastic on. so just have to fix the door. Never mind. That's life. No use getting upset about it. I just can't use this cover now for that tunnel, which is a bit of a ball ache, but never mind. With plan B on that tunnel. Oh, I'm going to put a kettle on. Well, that was a big drama up there. Anyhow, it's fixed now, so I'm going to order some plastic in a bit. It takes a couple of days to come. So I'll have to wait for good weather to get that back on. But there's no rush. Anyhow, so we've got here, whoa, pumpkin, and giant marrow, and giant beans, yard-long beans. So we'll leave that off a bit today. And then here, there's nothing come out yet, is there? Oh, they're just starting. Them's broccoli. They're just popping there. But in here, I've also got an heated propagator underneath this one. But we've got spring onion, Lisbon. They're all through, all them tops now. Tomatoes are all coming through. Open that up. That's not starting yet. Oh yeah, just starting. Marmite tomatoes, that's the big beef ones. Oh yeah, beetroot started there, see. Open that up. Nothing in that yet. It shouldn't be long. Keep that one closed. Yeah, so they were planted on for, let's have a look, 7th to the 1st, so 7 days it took. And I only put that heated propagator on yesterday, so I just put that on because it drops a bit cold in here at night. And nothing showing on this yet with no, oh yeah, they're just popping there, can you see them? They're the yard-long beans. There's a giant marrow in there, giant pumpkins. That's just another set off. That giant cabbage is doing alright in here. These giant onions, don't know how they'll go on. Tea and coffee's come back. See? So we're all doing okay. Belting. So Shirley's just making us a breakfast now, isn't she? Toast. Right, see you next week. Get the rest of that for tunnel finished off.